Good morning to my YouTube followers and watchers. We're here in Denver today with another really cool car. This is a 1988 Carrera, 3.2 Carrera with the factory M459 package, the turbo look package. So you have the flares of the turbo. It also came with the turbo brakes. It's a really nice car, particularly has just a little over 100,000 miles. It's really nice. Neat story. The current owner of the car is a gentleman that I helped find this car, source it. We actually got it from Porsche, Colorado Springs. The car went through their classic program and they did, I can't remember, $15,000, $20,000 worth of stuff, including the sway bar mounts. I think they messed with the air conditioning. We have the receipts for it, but they went totally through the car, had the car detailed. This is probably 1,500 or 2,500 miles ago when it came out of Colorado Springs. So the car is really nicely prepped and really nicely kept. One of the things Colorado Springs did is they put a new rear window on it. That rear window is beautiful. The air conditioning has been converted to R134. Black interior, as it should be. The power sport seats, you see the big bolsters on the seats. And the car just presents very, very nicely. You can see just a little bit of wear on the steering wheel here. Not bad at all, particularly for the age of the car. It has been upgraded with the Porsche Classic head unit. It has MB Quartz front speakers, and I think Infinity Kappa rear speakers. Those were very cool in the day. And the car has, as of today, 107,007 miles. It's a really nice driving car. It's a pretty car. The M459 makes it much more rare than a regular 3.2 Carrera. And of course, as an 88, it has the G50 transmission and the hydraulic clutch, which is really a pleasure to drive. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see anything else, have details on the car, I've done full paint meter readings, all that sort of stuff, give me a call. This is Joe, 720-382-6167.